Hello, respectable audience. We have a question 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9 minus 9. It is quite simple. We have to move from left to right. 9 minus 9, it is 0. 9 minus 9, it is 0. Here is dot. Dot mean multiplication. Here is minus 9. 0 times 0, it is 0 minus 9. So 0 minus 9, our answer will be equal to minus 9. So is it correct? No, obviously it is not correct. It means we have made some mistakes. Now remove that mistakes. Handle the question carefully. Obey the PEMDAS rule and get the correct answer. First of all, according to this rule, we have to solve parenthesis. Okay. Parenthesis includes 9 minus 9. So handle this one because it is the first step according to PEMDAS rule. 9 minus 9 will be as it is. Here is dot. Dot mean multiplication. And if you solve parenthesis, you will get 0 because 9 minus 9 will be equal to 0. And here is minus 9. Now we have three operations: subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. According to this order, we have to solve multiplication. Here is multiplication. 9 minus 9 times 0. It will be equal to 0. And minus 9 will be as it is. Now 9 minus 0, it will be 9 minus 9, which will be result 0. 0 will be our correct answer according to PEMDAS rule. Thank you.